My name is Ekena with Bay Street Capital. We're at our episode 3 of the Lens of History. Will, tell us about a trade that happened this week that you're proud of or that you were looking at.
Cool. So for this week, we were actually staying pretty put. So overall, the market was a bit down this week, and we've just been hanging tight. No big major moves there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for that. And then tell me about a stock maybe for next week that you'll be looking at or paying attention to.
Yeah. So we're gonna check out Qualcomm going into next week. Just to kind of go backwards a little bit, last week we were speaking about Arcturus, and I was saying we should watch that for the week because it had kind of overextended itself. So I think just for the sake of continuity, we can look at where it traveled over the last couple of weeks. And just as we were saying, it closed last week at this week it reached a high of 123, and now it's on its way back down. So it's down 14% from the high. It's currently at 106. And for next week, I'm looking at Qualcomm. So, Qualcomm's a company I really like. And Apple just announced that they're going to be making their own chips. And as a result, Qualcomm kind of dipped about 7.5%. On the news that Apple is going to work on their own cellular modem.
Love that. And thank you for the additional explanation there. And then my favorite part of the show, what's happening on the Black side? Will we highlight either a Black person or business that's done something this week or that's doing something that we should take note of?
So I'll speak about something near to dear to me. I have a buddy of mine, Donald Burlock, who just released a book. It actually came out today, so I got my copy today. It is Superhuman by Design. Donald and I met at Georgia Tech when he was doing his master's, and he's in industrial design. So he's worked at a lot of big Fortune companies. He's also worked at a lot of the Bay Area startups. And so definitely excited to kind of jump into this book, and glad to see that he is representing us well as a Black guy in a space that doesn't necessarily have that much representation.
No, definitely. And I appreciate you walking us through that as well. Always cool to have a hometown shout out. But yeah, that's all I have for today and for episode 3 of Investing Through the Lens of History.